Are you looking for the best Asana workflows to improve your productivity? In this video, I'll show you how to set up powerful workflows for different use cases, including project management, content creation, and team collaboration. An Asana workflow is a structured way to organize and track tasks. The key components include projects, sections, tasks and subtasks, and automations. Now let's explore the best workflow examples for beginners. First would be simple project management workflow. This workflow helps teams and individuals stay organized. So to do this, you'll need to create a project, set up sections, add tasks and assign owners, set due dates and priorities, and automate routine actions. Second on our list would be content creation workflow. For content teams, an Asana workflow can streamline planning and publishing. So to create this, you need to create a content calendar project, sections, use task templates, and assign team members and deadlines. And the last on our list would be team collaboration workflow. For smooth team collaboration, use this workflow. Create a team workspace, use Asana messages and comments, set up weekly stand-ups, and use custom fields. This ensures everyone stays aligned on progress. That's it. These Asana workflows will help you work smarter and stay productive. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe for more Asana tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.